Solmate buys $50 million in discounted SOL from Solana Foundation as ARK Invest takes 11.5% stake. Solana. Solmate Infrastructure buys $50 million SOL at 15% discount from Solana Foundation as ARK Invest discloses 11.5% stake with corporate treasuries holding $4 billion across 16 institutions controlling 2.75% of supply. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Solmate Infrastructure announced a $50 million purchase of SOL tokens at a 15% discount during what the company described as the worst liquidation event in crypto history. The acquisition, made by the NASDAQ-listed company formerly known as Brera Holdings, will power Solmate's bare metal infrastructure operations in the United Arab Emirates. Simultaneously, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest disclosed an 11.5% ownership stake in Solmate Infrastructure through a Schedule 13G filing dated September 30, 2025, building on its earlier participation in the company's oversubscribed PIPE financing round. The dual announcements come as institutional confidence in both Solana as an ecosystem and infrastructure-focused strategies within the crypto market is increasing. Solmate doubles down on SOL amid market turbulence. Solmate executed the purchase pursuant to a strategic agreement with the Solana Foundation, seizing what the company sees as a historically low market price for SOL. The discounted entry price is major for corporate treasury strategies, which typically rely on consistent accumulation across market cycles to maximize long-term returns per share. Additionally, as part of the deal, the Solana Foundation secured the right to nominate up to 2 directors to Solmate Infrastructure's board. The purchased SOL will power Solmate's Solana infrastructure and make it a key part of the UAE's digital transformation agenda. According to the company's announcement, Marco Santori, CEO of Solmate, stated in the company's release that they bought the dip. He added that the company's infrastructure-first strategy will keep them at the forefront of innovation in the Solana ecosystem and ahead of mere treasury companies that solely rely on financial engineering to drive growth. Meanwhile, ARK Invest's 11.5% stake builds on the expansion of its exposure to Solmate following initial $300 million investments made through the company's private placement round earlier this year. ARK previously purchased 6,500,001 shares in Solmate's oversubscribed PIPE financing round, which was seen as the first-ever investment by a regulated American ETF into a crypto infrastructure PIPE. The firm has since disclosed additional share purchases totaling 779,619 shares, building up on what Solmate sees as continued conviction in both the Solana ecosystem and the company's value proposition. How Solana treasury companies are reshaping institutional strategy. Solmate's investment comes as part of a broader institutional interest in Solana-based treasury vehicles, a space that has expanded rapidly in recent months, just like other major altcoins. Recent reports have shown corporate treasuries holding Solana to have crossed the $4 billion mark, with 16 institutions now holding a combined 15.83 million SOL, representing 2.75% of the token's circulating supply. Forward Industries leads with more than 6.8 million SOL, valued at $1.61 billion, while companies such as Sharps Technology, DeFi Development Corporation, and Upexi each hold approximately 2 million SOL, worth over $400 million each. In September, Galaxy Digital also amassed 6.5 million SOL valued at $1.55 billion over 5 days, making it one of the most active corporate buyers. Additionally, Helios Solana Company is also considering acquiring at least 5% of Solana, equivalent to more than $6 billion, once it meets market capitalization and regulatory requirements. Meanwhile, Solana generated $2.85 billion in annual revenue between October 2024 and September 2025, with the bulk of that income coming from trading platforms, which accounted for $1.12 billion, or roughly 39% of total revenue. The revenue growth has now outpaced Ethereum's early trajectory by more than 30 times. 5 years after launch, Ethereum had generated under $10 million per month, while Solana now consistently produces between $200 million and $250 million. Adding to an increasingly bullish sentiment regarding SOL price trajectory, market speculation is building around potential spot Solana ETF approvals expected this month. With applications pending from Fidelity, VanEck, Grayscale, and others awaiting SEC decisions coming, analysts see this month as a big one for Solana. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. XRP Price Prediction. SEC filings hint at imminent ETF launch. Is this XRP's moment to hit $1,000? WazirX wins court nod in Singapore for debt restructuring scheme. CEO says Kostia Kudo. What we know about crypto traders' suicide. Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech tomorrow could trigger a crypto market crash. Here's what to expect. Crypto whale opens new $163 million Bitcoin short after $192 million win. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? October 14, 2025. 13 hours ago. By Seed Fatal Pasic. Bitcoin news. Early Bitcoin whale shorted $1.1 billion right before tariffs, now up $27 million. How did he know? 3 days ago. By Hassan. Price analysis. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin, Pepe by the end of 2025. 1 day ago. By Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 6 hours ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 9 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 8 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.